Hello and thank you for joining me today. This is Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life. Welcome to 5-Minute Microcurrent, our video series where I show you how to perform a simple protocol that can be done in under 5 minutes and that can yield incredibly quick results. Today, we're going to be talking about anxiety. It's that thing that everyone gets at some point in time. It can wreak absolute havoc on our physical and mental well-being. And it's tough to deal with. But before we go into the treatment, I want to emphasize the importance of managing your stress. A person who experiences chronic pain is likely to experience stress as well. Whether they feel stressed or not, the body is stressed. This means it's stuck in a beta wave survival mode. It's unable to heal or repair. Constant pain from not healing feeds the stress, which stops repair, which increases the pain, and so on. You end up getting stuck in that vicious cycle. And this is where microcurrent comes in. With a simple passive treatment using alpha frequencies, you can actually force your brain into a calm, relaxed state where inflammation cannot be created, and in which healing can occur. So, let's do the treatment. So you're going to need a device that has an alpha frequency in it. This is a 7 to 12 hertz program. You don't want to do anything else because remember, we're trying to trick the body or force the body into an alpha state, which we just can't do if we are using non-alpha frequencies. You're also going to need a set of conductive ear clips. And that's these guys right here. Mine are plugged in already. And as you can see here, there's a little metal electrode on the inside of the clip. So you're going to clip it to your ears. You don't need to worry about which side of the ear the metal electrode is on. Okay, so you go right on the earlobes. You plug your wires in into the side of your device, and you turn it on. You set to the 7 to 12 hertz program, as you can see here, and you adjust the power until you can feel a tingling. I'm surprised I'm not feeling it yet. And there we go. Okay, so I can feel a tingling in my earlobes, and what this is doing is this is actually the alpha frequency, and I've created a positive and a negative connection which has to pass through my head, going through my brain, in order to complete the circuit. So we've got a circuit going on now of alpha waves. So the body cannot actually fail at this point to be in an alpha state. We're forcing it into it. So the recommendation for this treatment is to actually leave it on for as long as you need. In fact, I recommend a minimum of 20 minutes if you're feeling extremely stressed. But if you're not feeling stressed and you're just trying to heal, you could wear them for 1 to 2 hours at a time. These ear clips will quickly pay for themselves in the stress reduction they give and the healing that they promote. All right, everyone, so thank you again for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more 5-minute microcurrent. Otherwise, have a pain-free day.